I'm Fred with Fred's Auto Repair. Well, I guess today is an off-road recovery video. Because of my stupidity, I am stuck in the middle of the creek with this lawnmower. It will not move. Will not move. I'll show you right now that it will not move. It is pretty much stuck. Just made it worse. I am now more stuck. So, well, anyways, stay tuned to see if I get wet here. Okay, well, I've got a ratchet strap here, considering I ain't got anything that can get in here and yank me out. It's not gonna destroy the lawnmower. So, well, I'm gonna have my brother tug on this thing while I'm on it on reverse. So we'll see if we can get her yanked out of here. Okay, well, I got her back out with the help of my brother. So, anyways, well, if y'all get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'll go back off in that hole there, and I will attempt to drive it all the way through. And if I get stuck, I may have to get the backhoe out here and lift it out. But, anyways, well, I'm gonna get her out of the creek now. Okay, this is what I was off in here. And this ditch, it goes a ways and there's no way out this way. So if this video gets up to 1,000 likes on either Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, I will go back off in there again and drive it till it won't drive forward no more, and I'll pull her back out. So anyways, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.